Hey guys, we're going to do an operation video here on the SL65. This is a really cool example that's been well cared for over the years. Custodian spent a lot of energy in preserving it and making sure that everything is still fully operational, which we'll show you here in a second. Let's go ahead and start with the top operation here. We did have a question. Both keys are fully operational, and there's two ways to start it. If you want to come around here, I'll show you that. So you got the two ways to start it. First way is in the ignition, turn, fires right up. The second way to start it is on the shifter here. You got the start stop button. So I got the keys in hand here. Starts up too. It's pretty neat. We're gonna go ahead and do a top operation starting out. Let's go ahead and open the trunk first. You don't have to do this all the time. I just know the partition's up. So we got to pull down the partition down here. And that's necessary to do the top operation, but you know, 2 and 1, we're showing the trunk work as well. So now that the partition is back, we can go ahead and do the top operation. Lovely. Let's go ahead and get the windows up, show you that that all works. And if you just hit both buttons, all the windows come down, which is cool. All right, going to the inside here. You got heated seats and ventilated seats on both sides, which is fantastic. Both of those are fully functional. We did test them. Then the seats themselves, they work perfectly fine. Every motor inside the seats is fully operational and works great. Let's see, goes up and down there. We got that. We showed the trunk. All the lights are also fully functioning, from fog lights to all the side markers and the blinkers and everything. I'll go ahead and turn on the hazards if I can find them so you can see that the lights are fully working. There's a high beam and low beam. There you go. Same as in the rear. The windshield wipers and the little jets, and also the headlights have little jets to shoot the liquid on. I'm not going to demonstrate that. Don't necessarily want to dirty up the car, but you can take our word for it that it does work. During our inspection, we did test them. Going through to the steering wheel, paddle shifters work. I just shot the driving video. It's very responsive, but works well, especially for the year of the car. From there, going through the little buttons on the steering wheels, they work. You go through all the little screens on top or on the instrument cluster there. Go through the settings and all that, and you kind of see. There you go. No errors or anything like that, which is nice. Coming inside here, you have lock and unlock up here. Both of those work. You have your vents. You can adjust your vents in the front here, which is great. The stereo system works great.
Have a travel tip, give us a call.
Maybe if I find a better station there. All right, you go. That's what I'm talking about. Cinco de Mayo. Yep, that's fully operational. Go ahead and turn that off. You got your cup holders here. These are notorious that break. They're always break. Those work amazing. They pop out how they should, and pushing them back in. There's no friction or anything like that, so that's awesome. Air conditioning works, going from auto, kicks on there, to pushing that back out, and you can adjust the fan yourself. And then pushing these guys out, you can adjust where the air is coming out, whether it's your feet coming directly at you or on the windshield there. Let's push that back into auto. The manual CS, that works. ABC Sport also works. That's demonstrated in the driving video. Adjusting the side mirrors. Both motors are operational. Let's go ahead and close the door and I'll show you the lift. Oh, I feel it. It's going up. Going back inside, I mean, you got all the little compartments there. You got a compartment that's in between the legs here. That'd be a great pew-pew compartment in there. You also got one here. Center console, these little plastic, the separators between the top compartment and the bottom compartment are always brakes, but nope, that works perfectly great on this one. Let's go ahead and show the wind deflector in the rear here. Goes up perfectly fine, goes back down. Parking sensors all around. It's a little difficult to show, but when I was pulling this out earlier today, the front sensors work and so do the rear, which you can see in the rear view mirror. There's like a little bar right here. That works totally fine. Okay, last but not least, let's go ahead and show the top going in the reverse order. We're gonna go ahead and close it. Rear opening up perfectly. The little wings coming out. Wings coming back in, windows going up, and trunk closing. This thing is awesome. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button and we can start a conversation. Good luck bidding.